Hello everyone, H. Reddy, working as a assistant professor in Tegal Start Engineering College. Okay, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Accelerate Your Research. This video I will explain about Web of Science Research Ready, how to search author profile in Web of Science, how to search institute profile in Web of Science, next how to search author profile and a name-based search in Web of Science. Okay, this is my channel. Here I have Vidwan ID and ORCID ID and Scopus ID and Web of Science ID and Google Scholar ID. Okay, now I will open this Web of Science ID. Okay, this is my Web of Science ID. My name is Kalagotla Chinchireddy. Okay, in this Web of Science ID, this is author name. Okay, author name, author ID, Web of Science ID, researcher ID, ABB-8517-2022. When you was creating your ID, that year you are showing 2021. I created 2021. Here showing documents. Here showing peer review. Okay, this is the review details. I reviewed this list of journals. Okay, IJPDS 18 papers I reviewed. ISA transition 12 papers I reviewed. Okay, these are my list of publications. Okay, this is all Web of Science indexed papers. Here are also search options is there. Okay, data for highest citations. If you click here, showing highest citations, one like this. Okay, now I will click here. Here I have search option. Now I am clicking here search. After clicking here search, here one is the document, second one is the researchers. Okay, now here name, here I have three options. First name search, second one is author identifies, third one is the organization. Okay, first I will click here organization. Okay, here first I will search in JNTU. Okay, after clicking here I am JNTU showing three. One is the JNTU Anantapur, JNTU Kakinad, JNTU University, JNTU University College of Engineering, Vijayanagaram, next to JNTU Anantapuram College of Engineering, JNTU Pulivendula. Okay, first I am clicking here JNTU College of Engineering. I will search here. I will click here search option. Okay, total 19 results from the Web of Science. Okay, total claimed Web of Science research profile 19 faculties. Okay, here Kumar, Dr. Suresh. Okay, here 1996 to 2023 total documents 303 documents. Next year second this author total 2006 to 2023 84 documents, peer reviews 654 and editorial records 94. Next this third author here 1997 to 2021 documents 38. Here showing total 3 documents and peer review status and editorial records. Okay, if you want such more information about this author, click here. Okay, click here. Here showing total author details. Okay, this Venkata Nagesh Kumar. Okay, the total documents 248, 2 documents and 90 Web of Science core collections, 1 preprint, 658 verified peer reviews and 94 verified editorial records. Like this showing total. If you want search based citations, highest citation, click here highest citations. Okay. Next I will search here. I will change organization here. I will click here IIT. I will select here organization. I will remove this one. I will click here. This is private engineering college, Gokaraju Rangaraju, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. In this college, total 73 results. Okay, 73 faculty members claimed this Web of Science research. Okay, here showing total details. First author Subbaiah, 2015 to 2022 total published documents 70. Next year, second author, this 67 documents and peer reviewed 38. Okay, this is one of the top college in Hyderabad. Next, this is the Pukaraju Rangaraju College information. Okay. Next, I will search IIT. Okay. IIT Bhubaneswar. I will search. Okay, total 122 members climbed this Web of Science. Okay, like this, we will search organization details. Next, I will click here search option. Here, say one more option, author based search. Second, name based here. I will search Beam Singh. Simply, I will click here Singh. After clicking here, now many options here. Okay, here Beam Singh, University of Delhi. Okay, I will total documents 2,145 documents. I will click here in details. It is not Beam Singh, JB Singh. Okay, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, UPES. Okay, this is a profile. Total H index 139, publications in Web of Science 2,133. Okay, total citing articles 44,956, 51 patents cited. Okay, sum of times cited. So this is the total author information. Next, third option, we'll click here. ID based search. Okay, here. Third one, author identities. I will copy and paste my ID. Okay, this is my ID, ABB-8517-2021. I will copy and paste this ID here. I will search. Okay, this is the third one is the ID based search. Okay, Karuna Institute of Technology and Sciences. This is my name. Okay, this is my publications. Okay, like this, we'll search here Web of Science author details or institute details. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.